Budapest and beyond! The Hegedüs Villa, or what it was originally known as the Schoch Villa, is very well known in Budapest, although very few people actually know it by its name. Frigyes Schoch fell in love with an Italian villa in Genoa during his travels, and wanted to build an exact copy of it in Buda. The original was designed by Florentine-born Gino Capote, who was very popular in Genoa. His work also includes the similarly styled Castillo Mackenzie and the famous Genoa Grand Hotel Miramar. The date, 1914, can be read on the facade, but it is kind of hard to stack bricks during bomb strikes. So the construction stopped until after World War I. After passing through the hands of communists and several other owners, finally in 1926 it was bought by Dr. Laurent Hegedus. His request to the City Council of Budapest to finish construction in 1927 shows that the building was finally completed then. The Schoch-Hegedüs Villa has been kept in excellent condition over the decades, and to keep it that way, it enjoys heritage protection.